It's giving gorp for. I think I'm sweating. The girl also wore this one. I think it was this color. It's a nice color. Not bad.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes, ruthless unknown.
Are you ready? I'm waiting. It's always out of
You
focus.
might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny.
We're going to a cafe.
Yes, we are.
Try to hold
10D.
to
I'm tired.
can't keep my fingers always losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't know what I should've let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I will be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond.
Hi. So, today is wine night with my friends. I'm basically ready to go. I'm wearing a t-shirt and I have it like pinned. Okay. I'm wearing jeans and I have like a little in my bag. Today's concept is Slim Shady.
I feel like we haven't had this in a while. What are you drinking? We're refreshing. Are you guys okay with having dinner in the balcony now? Okay. Give us like a bit. Yeah, for sure. Poor memory. I just live there. How do I use it? Oh, oh, I never used the Dyson.
My left hand, actually.
Okay, please do right. Are you sure this is how you open it?
Thank you.
Our bartender.
Yeah. Thank you for having us.
I already like
Insert.
it. Really? Oh,
It's
for
sweet.
real? I'm excited.
Why is it never focused? Focus.
I know, we never focus.
Never focus. Yeah, focus.
Yes. Is it good? Ooh.
Oh.
You should open a restaurant. With
Babushka?
Oh yeah, isn't it?
Shakakura? Shakshuka. Babushka? I don't want to try the other ones too.
Feels like I'm in Europe or something.
My inspo picture, my sister laughed really hard. Why? Because I had drizzle on the inspo picture and I gave up.
Cheers.
What are we trying?
This is so cute.
Wow.
There's Tinkerbell.
Okay.
Wow, Amy! You have to put it on all 10 fingers and go like before you eat it. And then you have to eat it like.
Have to?
No.
Says who?
Does Gokarkun.
The name of it.
You say it so softly and unconfident.
It sounds good.
When you guys have like guests over, like your family, do you guys have like adult table and kids table?
No.
Really? You eat with all the adults?
No, we sit at the floor actually.
Really? On the floor?
We sit on the floor and we have a big table. That's
With everyone? Everyone?
coffee table. Yeah, everyone. Everyone together.
For us, we split kids and adult. And then the kids are now grown up, and then but we're still kids table.
That's cute. Okay. What? Meow 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 meow.
Yeah,
She's laughing.
so you gotta show it to her.
Wait, what is this? She needs to see the AI cat. Read the comments. My little sister cried over this.
Aww. What do you mean, aww? You like
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know.
It's not a wasp, right?
Even wonder
I thought it was a
why.
bee.
No, I think it's a wasp.
I touched it too many times.
You scared the flies now.
Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the
Hi. Oh, I was gonna share. My friend went to Alaska. She brought yeah. Yeah. Do you see this? It's an eagle. I don't know where to put him, but super duper cute. And I like his little legs. Today is a very casual day. I'm meeting up with Tiff and we're gonna get some food.
What do I say? What do I do?
You don't need to do anything. I'll edit with music and it'll look less awkward.
Okay.
Oh. Rate the cane juice. Okay, that's 10 out of 10. I'm so yellow. I mean, yeah, it's thick. I want to sniff it. It's refreshing, right? It's like mango ice cream. Yeah, it literally tastes like ice cream. Oh my god. How'd you get a balanced amount of noodles? This is better. Cheers. Wow. It's giving wow. What the hell did they put in the bread? That's so good. Oh. Wingstop who?
Yeah, Wingstop, bro.
Wingstop?
Wingstop. I thought you didn't hear it.
No, I caught it. I'm full. We just started eating.
Just start.